Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The video today I would like to give you the transformation between the old planter box or the old planters that we got for 3 apple trees and we would like to replace them with the 3 brand new ones that my father-in-law he had been preparing and replaying for us. But anyway, 3 years ago when I said I want to plant 3 apple trees and he suggested he could build the 3 planters and he did. But at that time we just got very cheap timber in the green shed. The timber already used, so that means we don't know how long the timber had been used, but after that we bought it. The timber totally for 3 planter like this, it was quite cheap, just $60 or $80 totally at that time. So yeah, but after a few years, and you can see they don't look good anymore. Outside is okay, but look at it, they starting cracking like this. They not really good condition anymore, and I'm afraid that also my father-in-law afraid that few more years when he get a little bit older and he not gonna get strong enough to build anything for me anymore, so he could rather to do it now than later. So yeah, okay, so over here I think the width around 90 centimeter width or 1 meter, I think maybe 1 meter. And over here, this is the one he already kind of like put them together like this. So you can see the timber is very thick, and this is brand new treated pipe, so that will hopefully last a long time. And I did like paint it to protect the timber. I just use like 1 coat paint, like for the outdoor paint for the timber. So hopefully they could last, that could help as well. So here is one of the planter. In fact, this is the last one for that one. But we, my father-in-law and I, we already finished the other one with the other 2 corner. Let me swing over there and show you. Sorry, my yard a little bit messy because I have been busy. Alright, let's come over here. So over here, let me show you. This is one of the new planter. Look at that. It can just look beautiful. I'm sorry about the sunlight, but looking so much better with the old darky one. Look at that. So is it color is very clouded? So that means we have to carry each panel, each side of the planter, carry one by one. And after that, we can assemble like at this corner, and the same for this one. Let me show you. Look at that. It's looking so much better. The 2 planter over here, this one and the one here, they are a little bit smaller than the one that we're going to show you today, because this corner a little bit clouded. I mean, it doesn't have much room. And the width is okay. Now from this side to that side is okay, but I don't want the I don't know, like from that angle over here, like sticking out too much over here, because that I don't have much room to work around anymore. So we just make a little bit smaller from this side to that end. I hope that makes sense. But anyway, the width, the inside one of the planter, like from this end to that end, it's just 80 centimeter width. But from this side, from this one to the end inside here, still over 1 meter. So that is really good actually. And I still have quite a bit of room for me to work around, to have it sing my vegetable or do whatever I need to do. Still have some mess. I need to clean up those things over there. Okay, let's go back over here. So this one, this area actually we got more room to work on, so that's why my father-in-law he suggests that maybe we just kind of unscrew only 2 corners, so we can only need to like join 2 corners together, other than have to like screw 4 corners together like the other 2 planter, because that corner is that we didn't have room to carry the whole thing together out like that. So yeah, so over here, I think my father-in-law he gonna just go through with the electric saw, cut everything off and take everything apart, and after that we just scrape down the gravel further back here all the way out. And after that me and my father-in-law, because my husband he working and he not able to help us, so somehow me and my father-in-law have to carry this thing, very heavy thing, to replace those timber over there. Get my apple there. And voila, it's done now. And this planter, it took quite a long time, and it didn't take long to put them to the corner. But actually, the corner down there, because you can see very short or doesn't have much space, so it's very hard for my father-in-law to get the drill to screw the screw in. So it's really hard, and he most of the time actually the whole row of the screw down there he had to use by hand, and after that he just finished off with the drill. So it took him for quite a while. We did have some kind of tool like angle, some kind of angle tool to do that job. Like when we fix one other side of our fan, but actually we didn't have it on hand at this moment, so that's why he just have finished that job with very awkward way. So here is the result, and of course the apples, they were on the way a lot, and I think we broke one of the branches as well down here. That's okay, I'm not gonna trim it now because we might have a rain tonight as well. If I trim no further, I don't want the tree got infection. So remember, if you want to trim your trees, don't trim it in the rainy days because your tree might got infection. Better to do it when it got sunny for a few days. So just I just leave that bit there for a while until I see the weather sunnier. So a lot of apple will knock up as well. So I think we just bring them inside and we're gonna eat them. And I think some of them were a little bit green as well, not ripened yet. Some snail like it, you know. So I think we just stew them or do something with them. But some of them they are like it. And I did try the one like it looked very sweet already. And I think maybe they just need a little bit more time, maybe another month. I think they could be very, very sweet and full of flavor. So I think that is for the video today. Oh, by the way, so I did top it some compost, just a very thin layer to top up for the tree, because since the time I planted the tree and never fit them, both three of the tree actually, 3 apple tree, and never fit them since that time until now. Only today I did top up some compost, because you can see at the back there I got compost bin there, and after that I just put some sugar cane mulch, just keep the moisture down, because we lately have quite a few days of the warm weather, you know. So that is good. The soil will sink. I mean, will sunk down a lot since the time I planted the planter. Though, like when I planted the tree and when I filled the planter, the soil will up here. But now after a few years, they sank down. But I can't leave the tree up because the tree is very, very big, very established. It's got all the roots around it as well. So I can't do anything. Just quite like pay attention that don't cover the grafted area, because this tree somehow the grafted area all the way to here, you know. It's not I don't know, it's different way when they grafted this tree. I got it from Daily Food Tree. So yeah, I think that is for the video today. I'm going to put the netting back on and wait for another month or so to get this apple ribbon. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next one. And look at this beautiful planter. Yay!